Hi, my name is Isaac Fernando Quizan, and this is my presentation on purposive communications. Good day, everyone. Today I will talk about quality education and how it supports the sustainable development goals, especially on hospitality management. Quality education is not just about earning a degree, it is about gaining the right knowledge, skills, and values. In hospitality, this is very important because we work with different people from different cultures around the world. First, understanding the goals of quality education helps us the bigger picture. It teaches us to think beyond profit and focus on sustainability, ethical practices, and long-term impact in the hospitality industry. As future hotel managers or tourism professionals, we must have decisions that are fair, responsible, and inclusive. And this is the understanding goals of quality education. The first is explore the importance of quality education as a sustainable development goal, specifically in hospitality management. And the second is intercultural awareness is essential hospitality in a global industry. We serve guests from different countries, religions, and backgrounds. By learning about different cultures, traditions, and communication styles, we can provide better service and avoid misunderstandings. Cultural awareness helps create positive guest experiences and respectful workplaces. And this is the second part of my presentation in this intercultural awareness. He emphasized forming deep intercultural knowledge to enhance global hospitality practices and student experiences. And the third is inclusive language plays a big role in creating a safe and welcoming environment. When we use respectful and exclusive words, we promote quality and diversity. This is important not only in school but also in hotels and tourism businesses, where inclusivity improves teamwork and customer satisfaction. And this is the third, inclusive language. Adopt inclusive and politically correct language to create respectful and diverse learning environments in hospitality. And the fourth one is important factor is collaborate learning. In hospitality, teamwork is everything. From the front office to housekeeping to food and beverage, everyone must work together. Through groups, activities, and discussion in school, we develop communication skills, leadership skills, and the ability to work with different personalities. Collaborative learning. Encourage teamwork and diverse perspective in the classroom, promoting an understanding of global hospitality standards. And lastly, empowering communities is part of quality education by participating in community-based projects. We apply what we learn in real-life situations. This helps local businesses grow and allows us to gain practical experience. Education should not only benefit us but also the communities around us.